Spokane County, Washington, population 539,000.
Oh, this sounds like a nice video.
And out of those 500,000 people, we found the single worst neighbor.
Oh, what do we have here? Today we have the worst possible neighbor as a Karen that you can ever have. This lady has been terrorizing the whole apartment complex, and the neighbors below her are sick and tired of her shit. This neighbor has even went to the depths of going to her neighbor's job and scratching the BITCH word into her car. She's thrown drinks at her neighbors. They've got into all type of commotions. And at this point, it's bound to get volatile. Thank you guys for tuning in. And without further ado, let's get it. Damn.
She spit on me. She spit on him. She threw it off camera. It's all on camera.
Right here. Do you have it on camera?
Yeah, everything.
Can I see it?
Yep. They just were here. Levi them called. So this is outside. If you ever There's the first time. There's the second time.
Hold on, that's a woman? I thought that was a man.
You're going to jail. Throws thing at me. Throws that. I'm gonna knock everyone here. Throws that. I gotta go inside. And then Tim's out here. We came out front because I called the cops and said I'm gonna go out front and avoid her because they're all out back.
Oh,
she
fuck.
Comes out here. Felicia, the cops are here on their way to come arrest you. Yes, they did. Yes, they did. The cops just said it's assault and battery. Assault and battery. She just spit on Tim. She spit on you, right? She spit on him and then threw the soda and was like, I didn't spit on you, and then threw the soda.
Well, you got it on video, so
yeah.
I'm gonna go chat with her.
It is assault and battery, right?
Well, it's assault. There's no battery charge in the state of Washington. Yeah.
And then she spit on him too. And then she, what about throwing the cans and there?
Two charges. One you, one him.
Okay, thank you. Is she going to jail?
Well, let me talk to her. I gotta still talk to her and stuff like that first, okay? So if you guys wouldn't mind hanging out there, she's probably gonna be coming outside yelling and screaming. Please don't say anything. Don't engage. It's not gonna be productive at all.
I'm sorry, I'm too childish. I would have been like, booyah! See ya!
I don't want any more problems.
Okay, let me chat with her. Are you Felicia?
Yep.
Can I chat with you over here, please? Sure. Thank you.
Oh, she would hate me because I'd be like, bye, Felicia.
Just trying to get to the bottom of everything.
Sure.
So what's going on?
I've been filing harassment. I have 5 incident reports of her throwing cans at me with soda in it. Nothing happened. She scratched my car at work, but since it was a private property, nothing happened.
Huh?
She's hacked my bank account. I can't prove that because it's online, so nothing happened. She's threatened me. Nothing happened. I have 5 reports. I've tried to.
So we got neighbors beefing with each other, or this lady is abusing all the people around her.
Go to court for anti-harassment. I'm just tired. So since she threw stuff, I'm allowed to throw stuff too. Okay. If she didn't get in trouble. So that's what I did. I did.
Okay. Did she throw stuff in? Or?
Yes, there's proof that it's right here. We have it on camera, and he said it wasn't illegal.
And then recording.
Oh yeah.
Well, they just said it wasn't a crime.
Yeah, they said it wasn't a crime, so that I'm just doing my rights because I'm tired. I've tried to do the right way, and nothing's happened.
Okay.
So I'm gonna.
You still don't take matters into your own hands, though. That's what the law is for, babes.
Everything that she's doing, because it's not illegal. And if I don't do that, I'm gonna go crazy, or I'm gonna beat her ass, and then I'm gonna go to jail.
I just want to take a look at the video.
Oh, no problem.
On my brother. I'm gonna go get him right now.
Go get him, brother.
We'll be sitting here waiting for you and your brother. You talk all that on the day he's not here, you dumb.
Ooh.
She comes outside, records, and antagonizes. That's what she does. I moved away because of her. So this is what freedom of speech. I have freedom of speech too. We all do.
I'm getting my life threatened upstairs.
I do apologize, but I can't hold it anymore.
I apologize
I'm
also.
tired. Next thing is I'm gonna whoop her ass, and then I'm gonna go to jail.
And guess what? I have to deal with a lot of people saying a lot of stuff to me too. And if I was to respond to all of it, like
you're an officer. That's your job. This isn't our job as a person to live like this.
You're right. So find a way to get along and to get along with people.
Listen,
And look, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not living with nobody like that, bro. I'm getting the f gone, or I'm gonna make that person get the f gone.
Moved away from here. I've been gone for 2 weeks, and she's still coming to my job. She scratched into my car.
Okay. Did you report that?
Yes, I did.
Okay. I can't deal with that then. That's already been.
Private property.
A lot of this sounds like a lot of tit for tat.
It is.
It is. It's so bad. I left. I didn't talk to her. I blocked her on everything she tries to contact me on, and she came to my job and wrote in my car. Scratched it in my car. I don't have it here because I didn't want her to see my car here.
Okay.
Are you a manager there by chance?
No, but she is. And she is.
You're a manager? Perfect.
Oh God, bro.
I have a question for you.
This lady sounds nuts.
Do you want her trespass from the Arby's?
Yes, please.
Okay. How long?
Arby's.
As long as you can.
I can do life.
Who's keeping them in business? Who the still eats Arby's?
Yes, please.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So she did this and then you guys called? Is that what I'm understanding?
Yes, I was at work when it happened. I went out to my job. I went out to my car to smoke a
I
cigarette.
was at work that day. I have it on record.
Can you stop?
Oh, there she goes. She's right there. She's been listening the whole fucking time.
Interrupting and go back inside. Thank you. Once again, like my partner said, it is a tit for tat kind of deal that's going on right now.
She's right above you. Oh God, that's gotta be horrible.
Is a saving grace that she's actually instigating by pouring stuff on. I can see there's damage there. I can see that there's liquid there. She does have video of you throwing stuff on.
Yes,
I understand that you lost your cool, and I would strongly urge and advise against it. If it wasn't for that video, quite honestly, I'd be reading your rights, and you'd probably be going to jail for assault ×2 for throwing stuff at them on the balcony that they have videos of, and then spitting on them on the staircase. Okay. But as far as charges goes, you're not looking at charges, and neither is she. I'm going to chat with her though, and this needs to stop. I'm gonna go chat with them. Take care, guys. Yes, ma'am. So it really shows her throwing stuff at them, pouring it down.
Spokane Valley. Where is Spokane Valley at? Somebody tell me, please.
Hello.
Hey, I need your badge number and his because that's the definition of assault. It's a arrestable offense. You're not doing so. I'd like your sergeant here.
Oh God, I hate fucking TikTok lawyers and crime experts.
I can call my sergeant, but I have video of you instigating it. But I'll call my sergeant. I do.
I'd love to see it.
Okay.
You didn't see the beginning of the video when they actually instigated it, but okay, there was multiple parts of that video. I don't deserve to be assaulted. Your department's mishandled playing my case.
Oh, so she was the one that was starting the shit. Okay, it makes sense now.
I need your badge number because I'm filing a lawsuit with your department, and you both are going to get in trouble for this.
592310, Deputy Christensen.
Okay, so if you were spit on right now, you take the person to jail, right? That's assault an officer, is it not? You're allowing someone to assault me and him. We both asked you to press charges. Did you press charges?
No.
Oh, so the prosecutor's going to hear about this then too.
It's fantastic. They don't want to pursue charges either because it shows you clearly instigating the fight.
I did not.
It does. Okay.
Did not.
You did.
Did not.
Okay.
So you're saying without any actual evidence, you're claiming that was me and that instigates assault? Is that what
Do you
you're
want to
saying?
hear what we have to say, or do you just want to talk over us?
No,
Exactly.
I want to find on what assault is. What
You can
is
look
assault?
up the RCW for the
I'm
assault.
asking you. You're a police officer. You have to tell me. What is
You're
it?
right. I'm not obliged to.
So I can spit on you right now. You're not going to take me to
Here's your
jail?
name.
Please be my guest to do that and see what happens.
I want to see it. I want to see it too. Shit.
Oh,
So
that's
here's
a
the
threat?
That's not a threat. That's
Call
not a threat.
Detective Boomer.
No.
You yelled at me out back. Was
did.
that lawful? No, you're not allowed
She's gotta be a mental patient, bro.
to do that either. Just so
am.
you know. No, you're not.
Because I already told you not to engage with them
And
when
I
I was
wasn't
outside. And
engaging.
you were. Yes, you
They're
were.
lying on my name. I wasn't
Okay.
engaging with them.
Goodbye.
I'm telling you that I didn't.
Goodbye.
Okay.
See you later.
Yep, sure thing. Please stand at the
If
courthouse.
anything happens,
Close on Monday.
yeah, court's closed on Monday.
Oh, okay.
If I have to come back, you possibly could be facing charges. If you
Quit
before,
falsely threatening me. Yes,
I've
you
never.
Man, that's not a threat. I mean, that's not a falsely threat, baby. He's telling you the truth.
No, ma'am, I haven't. I've never met you before in my life. Okay.
Well, you're a horrible police officer.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Have a good day.
Yep. Keep talking.
Is it related to this whole fiasco? Okay.
Like, it's constant.
Gotcha.
But they are making it unsafe for my kids. And my kids don't feel like
Yeah.
safe.
100%. Both
So
both parties, I would imagine.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Like
okay.
they're both absolutely wrong.
100%. I'm
Fair to
assuming
my
you brought
kids.
this up to the manager's attention.
Yeah, and he knows. Like
Okay.
it's not.
Is he home right now?
No.
From I don't know what happened out here earlier.
See, this is why you guys to watch where you move into. I always check the reviews on apartments and who I'm staying by, because you just never know. Even though these apartments do look a little rundown.
But from my incident today, both were in the wrong. Both the neighbor upstairs instigated the argument. The neighbor downstairs retaliated. So
This is the second time the cops have been here just today.
Oh, I know.
Because they're
yep, I'm aware.
They're so crazy. If I get involved, I don't want them to
like she already
retaliate.
said
That lady,
over there.
she's
are
like, you want to throw hands? You want to fight me? You want to do that? I said, no, I just want you to stop.
Thank you.
Like you're making my kids feel uncomfortable.
You know.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you. I cannot stand being in a shit like this when I'm just, especially in my place of residence. Like, this is my place to get away. I don't got time for this shit.
But earlier today, it was just Jasmine that threw the water down, and they said that they couldn't do anything because the neighbors below them were like, what do I do? And I was like, all you can do is call the cops. Like, I'm calling the cops.
And I told them over there, from what both videos show, both of them are throwing water on each other and claiming assault.
How many times do you have to get called before something happens? When is enough enough?
And that's what I was explaining to her, like the way the courts work and the prosecutors work, video is king nowadays. If it's not on video, if there's not a credible witness, it's a she said kind of story.
I've been here for many, many years, and this is the first people that have made my kids feel unsafe.
Gotcha. Hang on.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Hang on one second, I'm looking up something. Yeah? I heard her clear as day come at me just now. So yeah, she's gonna go to the jail for disorderly.
Let's go. I cannot wait to see it because at first, when she first came on the camera, I thought she was a man.
Hello.
Jesus Christ, why are you guys back here?
So at this time, you're under arrest for disorderly.
Are you insane? I have my kids here. I have to talk to my kids
Put your
first.
hands behind your back. Stop.
I'm a restaurant. Are you
Stop.
Yeah, with that deep ass voice.
kidding me?
Don't even tense up right now.
Are you kidding me? Please, I'll be out tomorrow. Get my dude.
Stop.
For what?
Stop grabbing your hand.
I'm not
Let go.
grabbing anything.
You're grabbing your hand.
Dude, my kid's gonna freak out, Misty. Don't let anything else. My kids. Tuesday, I'll be out Tuesday. I was just
Stop
talking.
tensing up.
Ow! I was just
Stop.
talking to my
Oh, here we go. The fucking meltdown begins.
neighbor. I'm not tensing up. Stop. Why the f would you do that?
Stand up.
I got assaulted and I'm
Turn
going
around.
to jail.
Ooh, I would not want to be her neighbor right here. Fuck.
Misty, don't leave my kids alone. You.
Stop.
You.
Turn on me again.
Dude,
Don't even think about it.
That is a big bitch.
swear to God. I
Turn on me
swear to
again.
God.
You're gonna go on the
I
ground.
swear to
And you're
God.
gonna catch an
Go
additional
ahead.
charge.
Please. You. Get the f off me. I can walk to your car, dude.
No.
I'm already under arrest. When the judge sees this, you both are bro. When the judge sees
Face
this,
my car.
you guys
Separate
are
feet.
I didn't
I just know she smelled like spoiled hot dog water.
do anything wrong. I'm out there talking to my neighbors. Okay, and that gives you a reason to arrest me?
No, the reason I arrested you was I'm standing there talking to neighbor. You're yelling that I'm gonna you come at me. Come at me.
No, I was talking to my neighbor. She wasn't even
Well,
out
you're
there.
also disturbing the entire apartment complex. with
She
your
disturbed
conduct.
the
Hello.
They disturbed it with their music all day, and you guys did nothing.
The music's down now.
They did it for 3 hours.
Well, you can play music.
My brother wants to talk to you. My brother? Yeah. You
down.
can get me in jail all you want. You break you. Don't talk to me. I got a job and 3 kids. You didn't even give me a chance to do
Well, act like it instead of acting like this. Jesus.
You didn't talk to me about shit. You didn't read me my rights. You didn't tell me to quiet down. You didn't give me an opportunity. You didn't give me a chance to take care of my kids. Nothing. You. You were waiting to arrest me because you didn't like me. That is discrimination.
I was actually talking to your apartment manager.
Discrimination.
Okay.
Discrimination. I want a different officer right now. Get your sergeant to put me in his car. I do not want you to transport me. I don't trust you.
It's always funny to me how people have all these strange requests when they get arrested. Like, your ass going to jail, baby. You don't have no
Gonna be transported.
you don't have no say so in this shit.
I have kids waiting on me to get back.
Okay.
I am their only f***ing mom, bro. Their dad
You sound like their mom and her dad.
aren't shit. I have to take care of them, so please give me the f*** there so I can get the f*** out.
Good.
Now! I like me. Thank God you arrested me. You. Hey, Cody! My brother will be here tomorrow. Tomorrow!
I would advise making threats because that could be additional charge.
My brother's coming to visit me tomorrow. How's that a threat?
Well,
Is that a threat?
because he's already told me what you meant by that.
No, I didn't. How do you know what I meant by that freedom of speech? Are you making assumptions? Because that would be against the law.
Oh my God, this lady is fucking annoying, bro.
Hey, by the way, officer, you never belted me up. So you're breaking the law because I don't have a f***ing seatbelt.
Would you like to be
And you never read me my goddamn rights.
You ain't got no rights, baby. You already going to jail. Like, what rights do you need after that?
Never asked you questions.
This is not legal arrest. You can wear your seatbelt, but I don't have mine. You. You want me to hit my head, by the way? How am I supposed to sit with
I mean, you tall as hell, shit. It might knock some sense into you.
cuffs like this? They're so loose. Look that way. Oh, now you're gonna pull my hair. That's assault.
I'm not pulling your hair.
You do? It's all on video.
And body cam, stupid. There's a body cam right there.
Good Lord.
Jasmine was charged with disorderly conduct. She's innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. Away. Out.